everyone, I'm Siway base. The exhibition I am currently at is the FBC Exhibition in China. This is the largest and most complete building door, window and curtain wall display trading and system solution platform in the Asia Pacific region. Our booth number is 1330. Welcome everyone to visit. Our company Shanghai Siway was established in 1984. We focus on the research and development of home decoration, doors, windows, and curtain walls. We provide systematic solutions for more than 500 companies, more than 100 countries and regions around the world. And our ambition is to build a perfect building for you. Our main products are aluminum veneer, construction silicon sealant, automotive PU sealant, and other fields of application adhesive. Welcome friends at home and abroad to visit our factory.
科技大学淄博校区。